Has TikTok ever sent you a notification like this? Well, they have. I'm going to show you step by step how to get around it and get your video back up with the original sound. The first step is you go to add a video. You get to this screen, you press upload, then you select the video that got taken down. After you select said video, it will take you to this screen. You have a choice to trim it or not. After you press next, it's going to bring you to where you can select any soundtrack that you want. Just pick any one of these. After you select one, press that music note with the scissors. Once you're on this screen, you're going to put the original sound to wherever you would like it, and then the soundtrack sound to 0. Obviously, you've used TikTok before. Put your description in, put your hashtags in, then press post. This is the proof that it actually works. And now I would like to thank my wife, Bloodvixn, for all this support, all these screenshots, and the proof and how to get around this. Keep TikToking and have a good day. Bye!